بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Hello viewers, this is how actual camera looks like on the box. Hello viewers, today I have a very unique 3-4 channel dashcam, Lamtto. The one I check on YouTube, this is very different. I think this is the only one they had. I bought this one of Timu, and this was the only one that's available. Lamtto. I saw the other one that looks very different than this one, and let's open and see what's inside the package. I'm so excited to see what's in this package, because after I bought this one, I tried to check and it says it's unavailable. As you can see, I'm going to open it and show you how this camera look like. You know, inside when you open it, there's lots of good stuff. That's just the cover on the top of the camera to protect the camera. And where do you go? This is the camera. See, as you can see, the camera is unique and very sleek. I saw the other one, and the camera goes front, back, up and down, and there is a display there. It has a very good display, very nice. And the camera goes back, forth, up, down, and there is a front camera. Yeah, that's about the camera, and let's get to the other stuff. This one is the plug-in to your cigarette lighter, and this is the main camera power cord. And this one is for the parking, which I don't need. My car is always has a power. It doesn't require to connect that one to get constant power. Even if I leave it, my car is still on. I'm not sure if it's gonna record, but my car won't shut down. And this owner's manual, small trim tool, and small sticker pad. And this one is the rear camera. You gotta go all the way through the car to install to the back of the camera. And the camera will go front and back. After installing it, you can turn inside the camera or outside the car, each way you want. You can rotate like that. And that's a very, very good camera with reasonable price. Okay, let's see what's inside, what's left in the box. I don't think anything else is in the box. I think that's all about it. It's time to put it back in. I am going to share this camera with you. It's a Lamtto 360 degrees. It records like a clear and crisp videos on all sides. As you can see, it's on right now. This is how it looks like, and this goes up and down, side to side. You can put it right onto yourself, and I already installed it. So as you can see, it's complete front, rear, back, every side. It has a like full recording all sides. As you can see the camera there, right there, in the back of the camera. So yeah, I'm going to show you the footage right now. This is just like a pictures. The camera takes the pictures and also videos. So this is the passenger side window, as you can see, very clear, even though outside is not clear and there's no sun. When it's sunny, the video gets better, much better. So you can clearly see my entire window and even half of the windshield. Well, to me, this is clear. You can even see me moving around. And I put it on myself so you can see me clearly. Hello. Hi. That's the driver's side. So now I'm gonna have to turn away the camera from myself. It's really, really amazing. I really like the way this camera works. It's a very clear, crisp. It's a 1080p and 16 something. I don't know what kind of format it's that. It doesn't have 4K. I was on a red light. I think I stopped somewhere. You can clearly see if car hits you from the side. Look at this. It's a very clear video from the side. It's a winter time. There's snow, so there's no sun. Okay, this one is a nighttime, so you can see the lights and everything. It's a very colorful camera, 1080p, which is very clear. I only capture some images from the rear, the driver's side, the left side. It's not. This one I recorded on a nighttime, so I'm gonna show you guys how the night looks like. I think each time you record a video is gonna record 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the highest. With some cameras they record like 10 minutes, which is too long to download. This video is from the passenger side. As you can see now, it's a little more sunny. It's not too sunny, but you can see the video is clear, crisp. On the passenger side, this is how it's gonna look like, which is the reason I bought it, in case you get into accident and all kind of problems you can run into. So everything is recorded. Yeah, this is the passenger side. You can see the windshield, half of windshield, and also the entire mirror. Also, you can put onto yourself to the passenger side, passenger seat, and everything. You can see everything. You can. If you want to see everything inside, you could. Yeah, you can clearly see what you record. This is one of the reasons you want to have a dash cam that can protect your car. If anything comes around, you can see absolutely who's coming around your car. Yeah, you can just, it's a good to have tool. You can, it was good if I recorded when it's sunny, but we're not gonna have any time soon because we are in a winter time. It's a long wait, about maybe 2 months to get sunny, but yeah, it is what it is. I just decided to record it. You can clearly see the red light. It was on a red light, so you can clearly see the red light. Yeah, you can clearly see the signs and everything, the building. This was the only camera that was available. This is Lamtto 360. This is from the rear. And this is how it records when you are recording the rear end. Well, that's all you need. You can see your vehicle from the back, from every side. But this is not a backup camera. You cannot, I think, use this one as a backup camera, because backup camera is more sophisticated, and it has a lines, and it will show you how far are you from the wall. I'm not sure if you can put this down all the way and it can show you, because I only put this camera from inside. You cannot put outside. I decided to put from inside, so you can put it looking inward, like inside of the car. You could record the entire passengers and drivers from the back. Yeah, again, this is a Lamtto 360 4-channel dash cam. This is not the one that has a yellow stripes around the side cameras. And as I showed you in the video, I think I'm trying to conclude this video right here. And I have a YouTube channel, so why I can't share with the people? That's the only reason I did this. I'm not getting paid by Lamtto. But if this camera is available, I will highly recommend. Again, I bought it on Temu, and this was the only camera I saw. After I bought it, I went back to the store and there is none. I searched with the Lamtto name and there's only one camera that stands out, and that's the one on YouTube all over the place. I searched for this camera on YouTube and I couldn't find anywhere. So lucky to me, I'm the first buyer, maybe the last buyer, I don't know. Let's see if anybody come up with this Lamtto video camera. Yeah. So I think that's all I have to show you. I show you the camera, I show you everything. I'm gonna maybe show you the settings, how it works. You can connect to the Wi-Fi and you can access the videos live, running on your phone and running also on the camera. Some cameras, they put a barcode on the screen when you connect to your phone, and you can only access the video through your phone. But this one is just like you can access, you can see the footage from your phone, also from the camera. It's just like the Bots Lab, the Bots Lab 4-channel camera, which is very expensive. This one is way less than half a price, and it does what every other camera does. And that's it. I have to end this video right here, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and let me know what you think. And let me know what you think about this camera. I wasn't prepared to do this video, so thank you so much. Yeah, so yeah, you know, I have a small YouTube channel. I'm trying to figure out, I'm gonna change from this reacting to religious things to something else. I'm trying to review because I always shop online. I'm trying to review everything that I do. I shop everything from camera to, you know, kind of some other stuff. I'm trying to do something different instead. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it if you subscribe, which is free, and it's everything to me. Thank you so much. See you next time.